There's a quiet, enduring poetry in driftwood, an elemental beauty shaped by time, tide, and transformation that continues to captivate artists, interior designers, and nature lovers alike. Driftwood's allure lies not only in its rustic, weather-worn appearance, but also in its narrative. Each piece carries with it a story forged by the wind, waves, and shorelines it has traveled. Smoothed by the ebb and flow of ocean currents, bleached by sun and salt, and often twisted into uniquely sculptural forms, driftwood is nature's artwork, untamed yet harmonious. It speaks to the soul with its organic textures and imperfections, evoking a sense of coastal calm and timelessness. Hello dear friends, welcome back to Kuki Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of driftwood wall deco ideas, unique and easy artistic projects. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Beyond its decorative appeal, driftwood symbolizes sustainability and the art of reuse. In an age where environmental consciousness is paramount, driftwood represents a creative approach to eco-friendly design. It requires no additional processing, finishes, or manufacturing, just an appreciative eye and a touch of imagination. This makes it especially cherished among artisans and DIY enthusiasts who seek to create meaningful, low-impact art and furniture. With a single piece of driftwood, one can craft a wall hanging that evokes ocean breezes, a sculptural centerpiece that mimics nature's abstract forms, or a functional coat rack that tells a story with every curve. What makes driftwood particularly compelling is its ability to blend seamlessly into multiple aesthetics. Whether incorporated into a minimalist space, a coastal cottage, or a modern rustic interior, driftwood adds a layer of authenticity and grounded elegance that is hard to replicate. Its neutral tones, soft grays, silvers, and warm browns, bring warmth and contrast to stark white walls or industrial settings, creating balance and visual interest. Moreover, driftwood holds an emotional and even spiritual resonance for many. It is a symbol of resilience, having survived the forces of nature, battered yet beautiful. For coastal dwellers, it may evoke nostalgia and personal memories of long beach walks, summer vacations, or the rhythm of waves crashing ashore. It connects people to the natural world in a tangible, tactile way, bringing the outside in and offering a constant reminder of nature's gentle power and artistry. In artistic circles, driftwood is often celebrated for its textural versatility and structural intrigue. No two pieces are alike. Some may be knotty and gnarled, others sleek and linear, making it a medium that encourages experimentation and spontaneity. Sculptors often favor driftwood for its unpredictable form, allowing them to work around its natural shape rather than imposing one. Painters and mixed media artists incorporate driftwood as a canvas or support structure, appreciating how its rawness enhances the authenticity of their work. Crafters transform it into everything from wall mosaics and dream catchers to lamps and picture frames, while furniture makers create stunning tables, headboards, and shelving that command attention without overwhelming a room. In coastal decor, driftwood is more than a material, it is a motif, a symbol of serenity, and a bridge between sea and land. It evokes a breezy, relaxed aesthetic without being overtly themed or kitschy. Used sparingly, it becomes a focal point. Used generously, it weaves a cohesive narrative of natural living. Designers often pair driftwood with other natural elements like linen, stone, jute, and glass to enhance this organic feel. In wall art, its shapes can mimic trees, coral, or abstract landscapes, depending on how it's arranged and whether it's painted, bleached, or left raw. Many decorators now use driftwood in unexpected ways, like creating geometric wall panels, minimalist mobiles, or even modern chandeliers, pushing the boundaries of what this humble material can become. Driftwood's tactile quality also adds depth to interiors that are otherwise sleek or sterile. In contemporary homes dominated by clean lines and monochrome palettes, the roughness of driftwood introduces warmth and human touch. Its irregular surfaces and weathered grain patterns can transform a plain wall into a textural landscape, or a sterile shelf into a curated statement. This juxtaposition of rough and refined is at the heart of modern design, and driftwood captures it perfectly. There's also an almost meditative quality to working with driftwood. Because it comes in unpredictable shapes and sizes, crafting with it demands patience and intuition. Furthermore, in a world dominated by mass-produced goods and fast furniture, driftwood stands out as something authentic and one of a kind. It can't be replicated in factories or replicated by machines. Its charm lies in its irregularity, its flaws, its unpredictable history. Each piece invites you to look closer, to trace the lines etched by waves, to imagine its journey across miles of ocean. It becomes a conversation piece, a sculptural element, a silent storyteller. As more people seek meaningful, sustainable alternatives in design and decor, driftwood continues to grow in popularity not as a trend, but as a testament to enduring beauty and simplicity. It is tactile, visual, and emotional richness makes it more than just a design element. It becomes part of a lifestyle that values craftsmanship, connection, and care for the planet. Whether adorning a living room wall, supporting a planter in the garden, or serving as the base for a dining table, driftwood enhances both the space it occupies and the mindset of those who live among it. Ultimately, the allure of driftwood is not just about aesthetics, it's about transformation, story, and the profound beauty of the imperfect. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.